problem of the day. Jennifer purchased a large bucket of 2,112 building blocks at a toy store. She placed the blocks into 3 cases with an equal number of blocks in each case. How many blocks did Jennifer place in each case? Again, we'll read through it one more time. Jennifer purchased a large bucket of 2,112 building blocks at a toy store. She placed the blocks into 3 cases with an equal number of blocks in each case. How many blocks did Jennifer place in each case? All right, so what do we know? Well, we know that Jennifer purchased some building blocks. How many did she purchase? Right, 2,112 building blocks. I'm just going to put B, building blocks, okay? All right. And she has 3 cases to put them in. And the question is, how many will go in each of those 3 cases, right? So how many building blocks? I'm going to put BB again for short. How many building blocks will go in each case? All right. All right, so we have the total, right? We have our total building blocks. That's 2,112. And we're going to divide it by 3 cases. So I'm going to divide this into thirds. Okay. And we're looking for how many will go into each of these. All right, so what's the plan? What is your plan? How can you solve this one? What do we normally do if they're asking us to divide them into equal parts? Whoops, I gave you the answer. Right, we're dividing if we're separating into equal groups or equal parts. Okay. So we're going to be dividing. We're dividing 2,112. That's the number of building blocks. So building blocks divided by cases, right? And how do y'all want to do this? We can use different methods. We've been doing the big 7 a lot lately. Let's do something else. Let's try by place value. So it's going to be 2,112 divided by 3. Okay, I'm going to split this number up. The 2,112, I'm going to split this into 2,100 plus 12. And I'm going to be dividing each of those numbers by 3. And the reason I picked 2,100 to divide by 3 is because I already know in my head that 21 divided by 3 is 7. So 2,100 divided by 3 must be 700. So that was step 1. Okay, 2,100 divided by 3. That's step 1. Step 2 is 12 divided by 3. And what's that? Right, 4. Good job. So when we add 700 plus 4, we get 704 building blocks. And that will go into these blocks, or these spaces right here. These are the cases, okay? So let's do that. $704 building blocks in this first case, in the second case, and in the third case. We're dealing with building blocks. So let's make sure that we answer this in a complete sentence. How many blocks did Jennifer place in each case? Jennifer put 704 building blocks in each case. Good job, everyone.